Now, what if I ask you what's that first thing that you notice in a person when you meet them? Now, if you ask me, I would say the smile of the person. Now, the smile is very important. Now, in this video, our expert is going to demonstrate few facial yoga poses by which you can enhance your jawline, make your smile look great. Let's get started with the video.
Hi, my name is Danielle Collins. I'm the world leading face yoga expert. One of the areas of the face that people often ask me about is the area between the nose and the mouth where we often prone to lines. There's a few techniques which are wonderful for helping to strengthen the muscles under the skin and therefore tautening and tightening this area. So first of all, we're going to take our tongue and we're just going to press it into one side of our mouth, just where you find that line. So take your tongue now and press there. And try and hold that now for 10 to 15 seconds, pressing the tongue into the side of the mouth. Then we're going to repeat the other side. Really try and exert quite a lot of pressure there, so you feel that muscle working all the way down around that area. And you're just going to repeat that again, both sides. So press the tongue into the side of the mouth. Hold there for 10 to 15 seconds now. We're really working the muscle around the mouth here. It's called the orbicularis oris muscle. There's also lots of cheek muscles which are engaging as well. Let's do the other side. Press the tongue into the side of the mouth. Hold there for 10 to 15 seconds. And then relax. Then we're going to just pull the top lip and bottom lip away from each other, hiding the teeth. So we're going, holding that position, take your fingers, we're going to massage up that area where the line is often formed. So we're always working upwards here as we hold this position. So by holding this position, we're strengthening the muscles around the mouth, and the massage is helping to increase the circulation and collagen elastin, which is going to help to plump and firm the skin. So keep that going a little bit longer. And just relaxing now. Excellent. So last technique now for the area around the mouth. We're going to take the tongue, we're going to bring it around the inside of the lips. So we're going to do twice in one direction and twice in the other direction. So we're going. Take it really slowly, keep that going round, slower the better. And then the other direction. And then completely relax your lower face area. Hope you enjoyed your techniques to help smooth lines between the nose and the mouth area.